Hello guys, here is the review of all new flagship Google Pixel 7 Pro. Before that, if you are new to this channel, watch all our videos and press the bell icon for instant notifications. It is a complete stock Android phone with many AI features. This is the white color variant which we are going to see, and they are calling it as Snow. Opening the box, we have the handset, 1 meter USB Type-C to Type-C cable with USB 2.0, a quick starter guide and a quick switch adapter and a SIM ejector tool. Volume keys and the power buttons on this phone are easily reachable, but the power button is on the top and the volume buttons are on the down. So we need some time to adapt to this design. And for the SIM type, you can put only one nano SIM, same as the iPhone, and one eSIM. There is a bump in the back of the mobile where they have given the triple camera setup. The camera setup is the same as the iPhone 14 Pro series. I mean, the front notch on the iPhone 14 Pro is now kept in the back of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Coming down on the mobile, it is OTG supported, and they have given the stereo speaker, 3 microphones and noise suppression. But the sound quality seems not so fine. Pixel 7 Pro is a bit bulky with a weight of 212 grams, and it is not a single-handed device. If you want to hold it easily and comfortably, then you can go with the Pixel 7 version and not the Speak Pro version. Because finding accessories like screen guard, charger and back cover is a challenge since it's a bit slippery as well. Coming to the display, it is a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 3120 x 1440 pixels. The 7 Pro does not have a sharp curve compared to the 6 Pro. The LTPO is nothing but a low temperature polycrystalline oxide used in the OLED displays that allows your screen to operate in variable refresh rates. So here it has a refresh rate of 120Hz with the always on display, and the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus cover glass is being provided for the protection. And coming back to the sensors are the same for all the flagship phones. One of the few features I saw is the cough and snow detection, which I don't know why it is there. If you know, please leave your view in the comment box. IP68 dust and water resistant are there. Pixel is best for its GPS features. The GPS type shown on the screen is given. Coming to the storage, it has 12GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the processor is the Google Tensor G2 with the Android 13. On the OS updates, it will be given till 2025, and 5 years of security upgrades will be given. There has been a heating issue for sure after some browsing and multitasking. Even taking many pictures also heats the phone. Google Tensor G2 should address this issue. 5G connectivity with most operating frequencies is available on the connectivity options. OTG is compatible and Bluetooth version 5.2 is available, and the micro USB version USB 3.2 is given. On the battery side, it comes up with the 4926 mAh battery with quick charging support. As said in the launch, it has an adaptive battery which makes the charging last, but it drains quickly after usage. Battery charging speed is 20-30 watts is given on the lower side of the today's flagships, and it definitely needs improvement in the charging speed department. While playing games with this phone, the phone gets heated up heavily and it lags as well. One primary reason everyone will think of buying Pixel is the camera. Let me give you the detailed info on the camera. It has a triple camera setup, 50MP Octa PD quad layer wide camera with a 1.85 aperture, 48MP quad layer telephoto camera with 3.5 aperture, and 12MP ultra wide camera with 2.2 aperture. Coming to on the front, the 10.8MP they have given on the front camera with 2.2 aperture. Color reproduction is mind-blowing. It precisely captures the colors. Dynamic range is also fine. Night shots with this primary camera came out very sharp, and again with more accurate colors. The camera captures every detail well. Even the telephoto takes cleaner shots in the 5x. I think better than Apple, but needs improvement in the low light processing. The selfie camera is not at its best. Ultrawide is also so good. But on the low light processing of the night photography, it needs some detail and it needs to be improved. Videography has been improved since the last iteration, but is still far behind the iPhones. You can record the videos in 4K in both front and back with 60 and 30 FPS. Compared to the all flagship premium smartphone, this mobile also does not come with the charger. Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have 4 significant differences. Pixel 7 has 8GB RAM, 90Hz refresh rate, 4355 mAh battery, mainly flat display, whereas Pixel 7 Pro has 8 or 12GB RAM, 120Hz refresh rate, 4926 mAh battery and a curved display. Based on this mobile price and the specification which we have discussed, if you want to buy this smartphone, please check the link given in the description and buy. And if you want to compare this Google Pixel 7 Pro with the iPhone, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely do that. We are working hard to reach 10,000 subscribers. Please provide me with your support by subscribing to this channel. See you guys in another video. Thank you.